off this, Ethel?
What?
That old Obama guy. He said we're gonna have to go green. Go green? Hey, fucker. No, fucker. We have to go green. Ethel, this is serious stuff. We're gonna have to go green. I don't understand. What's green? Well, me either. I just thought I'd tell you. I was reading the paper today. They said Obama said we had to go green.
Why would you ask Chris Paul about this?